Wait, why can't I? Oh, hell no. Oh, I saw this time. Fuck. No! No, no. I'm so scared for what's gonna jump out at me. Dude. Dude. Dude, who's around the corner? No.
Hello there.
Oh my god! Oh, she's right there. She's just...
Huh?
Dude!
I can't take it anymore.
What are you talking about? After my mother disappeared,
No.
my father could not handle
No.
it. And no one lives in that house, and it's abandoned for more than 10 years.
No.
Is this some kind of
No.
joke to you?
It's not a fucking joke. I wish it was. What's gonna happen? No.